welcome back to Arcade Garage. Thank you to all the faithfuls that are always watching, and if you're new, not too bad of a video to get introduced to the channel, hopefully. We'll be going back to the Dyno. So, also it's a double video day also, because roll racing tonight, so be filming that if all goes well on the Dyno, so 2 separate videos. But yep, we're taking old mate ECOJET back to Buy Performance. Hopefully sorted out those misfire issues, and yeah, we'll cut to when she's on the dyno and probably straight into a pull. No point talking, you guys just want to see the runs and the power, so I'm gonna fucking give it to you. So it's been a couple of days now. I didn't film an outro then because shit got hectic because I'd roll racing that night. So I'm just filming it now. It's Monday. Dyno happened on Friday. So as you would have seen, there was a bit where a time lapse we were working on the car. There was just boost leak issues. Like the turbo was coming at about 1,000 RPM late, or 500 to 1,000 RPM. I don't remember what I was looking at on the screen now. It was definitely way laggier. You could see it. So we're trying to find a boost leak issue. We couldn't hear any exhaust leaks, so we assumed it was boost leak. Plus also when it rolled straight on the dyno, it was down 40 horsepower and a few psi boost, so we knew something was wrong straight away. Yeah, so we're trying to find it. You know, we tested all clamps, checked over all the boots. We even took the plenum lid off, put it back on, put a new bolt through one that was slightly stripped to see if it was lifting there. Didn't fix it, so Justin just tuned around it. My second GoPro stopped filming pretty quickly for some reason, so missed most of the good runs. That's why I only had the front of a car view, not the dyno screen. But highest we made was 589, so it was 10 horsepower more than before. I had one small misfire at the top, which we believe was from either the back pressure. If there is an exhaust leak, obviously the exhaust is escaping out the leak rather than going through the turbine, or it was because it's working overtime to try and make the boost if there is a boost leak. So that's what we came up with for that. Ended up turning it down to 577 where it didn't misfire at all. It was all happy. just a lot laggier, which is a shame. No misfires, so that was all good. Yeah, and after that got home and got ready for raw racing, so I gotta film that intro video now, and then yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one, which I'll probably just double up these videos 2 a week for these, which will be, yeah, roll racing. So enjoy that video.